What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera not working or camera failed error issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this power button. And then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the camera failed error will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down and tap on apps, and then again tap on this apps option. Now here in apps, open the camera app and then go to its storage. Now clear the cache memory and app data of camera app. So to clear the cache memory, just simply tap on clear cache and cache memory will be cleared. And to clear the app data, tap on clear data, and then from the pop-up tap on delete to confirm. And after that the camera failed error will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here check if your phone's software is up to date or not. So if it's not updated, then update the software, and after updating the phone's software the camera will start working properly. So that's how you can fix the camera not working or camera failed error on MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.